Welcome back to the channel. This is Matt Garland, NMLS number 58700, but better known as MG the Mortgage Guy. Happy 2023 to all of you. All right. Welcome back, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe and hit that bell for notifications, because you guys know we are dropping videos every day, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys tap in with that and go to mgbookstore.com. Pick up the latest and greatest books by a #1 author, me, MG, mgbookstore.com, Real Estate Investors Manifesto, and House Hackonomics. I did that kind of wrong, but who cares, right? All right, so let's get into today's video. The team wants me to do a prediction video, so I'm going to do one for you guys. Although I say my predictions all the time, but why not say it again? Okay. All right. So let's go to an article that I thought was interesting that came out in the new year. Shout out to National Mortgage News. And they're talking about home prices have hit its lowest rate of appreciation 2 years. Now, before I get into my predictions, I want to show you guys this article, a little bit part of the article. I'm not going to read the whole thing. You can go Google it, or link will be in the description. You can read it yourself, right? But in November, home prices were up by less than 9% compared to the same month in 2021, making an end to a 21-month streak of double-digit momentum per CoreLogic. Now, I love CoreLogic. They always provide amazing data. So I vouch for whatever they're saying. But remember, guys, a 21-month streak of double-digit momentum in real estate, that's unicorn. That was the pandemic years. That is not normal, okay? But per the Data Vendors Home Price Index, 16 states, including Florida and South Carolina, still saw annual double-digit increases. But on average, appreciation is decelerating in many popular housing markets across the country. Home prices increased 8.6% year over year in November, a stark change from when home prices were around 21% in April of appreciation compared to the same month in 2021. Home prices declined by 0.2% from October 22. CoreLogic's economists believe that home price gains will continue to cool going into 2023, expecting them to slow to 2.8% of appreciation by November. Now, I wanted to read that quick article, like the top part of the article, to you guys. Again, this is really about me and my predictions, but I wanted to give you guys some insights and some data on where the market has appreciated. Now, December's data will come out probably later in the month of January, and then obviously once that data comes out, I'll be sure to report it to you guys. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be in the same ballpark as November, right? So here's my thoughts. Here's what I got to say to all of this. Home prices appreciating 20+% in any year is not normal, #1. And I think most of us, well, I'm not going to say me, y'all, right, got kind of spoiled to 2020 and 2021 real estate market. You know, a lot of people think that was normal, and it's not normal. Home prices on average appreciate around 4% over the last 60+ years. Please understand what I said. Home prices over the last 60+ years have appreciated on average of 4%. That is a normal appreciated market. Now, in some markets that are not a quote unquote what we call appreciated markets, it might be lower than that. It might be 1 to 2% a year. So when you have years like 2020 and 2021 where it was up and stuck, home prices are going crazy, people putting above asking offers in and closing on it, I mean, you name it, it was absolutely insane. But it wasn't normal, okay? And now when we see headlines like, well, home appreciation is at the lowest point in 2 years. Well, duh, it's supposed to be. The market is correcting itself, as it should. This is a good thing. Now, in any given circumstances, if I was sitting here telling you in 2018, for example, If I told you in 2018 or 2019 that home prices are going to appreciate almost 10% in 1 year, you would look at me like I was freaking crazy, because it just wasn't normal, right? It just wasn't normal. So for home prices in 2022, with with inventory still short, with interest rates still rising, above, I think at the height it hit like 7.5% for a 30-year conforming mortgage, right? So you have all these things going on. You have no more quantitative easing, right? Where the government's not pumping money into the market no more and buying bonds, which keeps mortgage rates low. What do you really expect to happen? And the feds are telling you guys what they wanted to happen. They wanted home sales to cool down so inflation can cool down as well. So I think 2022, as a homeowner and investor, I think 10% increase. All my properties have increased in value in 2022, so I'm happier than picking slop. I still made money. Now, CoreLogic says in 2023 that home prices will appreciate about 2.8%. By November of 2023, it'll be in that range. I agree with that. I've been saying this since the beginning of 2022 and end of 2021. I've been saying that in 2023, home prices will appreciate between 2 and 7% depending on the market that you're in. Now, you have markets like Miami, Atlanta, stuff like that. Those are like, these markets are out of control right now. They might still have double-digit appreciation because there's a lot of factors that I won't get into in this video. But on average, I think by this time next year, or by January 2024, we should be having the same conversation saying homes appreciated from 2 to 7% on annual. Now, what does this all mean for you who are looking to buy in this market? I believe that if you're not paying attention to this cycle and you're not learning from this, this is showing you that real estate is always going to be a great investment, right? And you have to buy right for it to be a good investment, number one. 2020, home prices above 20%. 2021, home prices above 20%. Appreciation, I should say, above 20%, both above 20% for those 2 years, and now 10%. So what are we talking? 50% of appreciation over the last 3 years? Really think about that, y'all. 50% plus appreciation over the last 3 years. If home prices go up 3% in 2023, it's still appreciation on top of the 50% plus that was just seen over the last 3 years. So despite what people want you to believe, prices are dropping, correcting themselves, but homes are still expensive. So if you're looking to buy real estate, and this is why I always preach, don't wait to buy real estate and wait, because I don't foresee the market going negative in a year. I just don't see it happening. So if you're waiting for this crash, or you're waiting for the market to drop to this astronomical number, I hear people say they're waiting for the homes to go back to the same price as 2019. You're out of your mind. It's never going to be that again. So my prediction, again, is simple. Homes will continue to appreciate in 2023. It will be modest appreciation, or should I say normal appreciation, 2 to 7% depending on your market. The real estate market is not going to crash, despite popular belief. You might have your opinion. I have my opinion. We can agree to disagree, right? But the market is not going to crash. I do believe with interest rates going to tick back down into the 5% range at some point this year, that's going to bring more buyers back into the market. And if and when that does happen, home prices will get an uptick because there's still inventory issues here in America. So my advice to everybody who's looking to buy, go out there and buy you some real estate. Be smart about what you're buying. Don't pay above asking price. Hell, don't even pay the asking price. Try to get a little bit off of that thing, right? Closed mouth don't get fired. Learn how to buy like an investor. Buy distressed properties. Buy properties that need rehab, right? So you can force your appreciation and hedge yourself just in case the market does take the turn for the worse, right? So these are my predictions. It's very simple. I'm not going to continue this video any longer. Home prices will continue to increase in 2023, period, point blank. I don't care if it's 2% appreciation, 5% appreciation, 10% appreciation. It could be 1% appreciation. Damn it, appreciation is appreciation. Bottom line. Whether you like it or love it, that is the truth. This is Matt Garland, NMLS number 58700, better known as MG the Mortgage Guy. Peace.